Hey everybody, Mark Rickert here with Rickert Property Group, Keller Williams Realty. How you doing? Hope all's well. Just wanted to invite you to our open house, 6800 Via del Cerro, C-E-R-R-O, right off Osuna and Vista del Norte in the Vista del Norte area of Albuquerque. So what am I doing out here instead of in the house? Well, Chabon's over at the house, and I've got the goodies. I've got the sign. I'm gonna go out and, you know, we'll work for food. We'll work for open house visitors too. It's one of the crazy things I like to do. Woohoo! Go out and do sign twirling for open house visitors. So anyway, 6800 Via del Cerro off Osuna and Vista del Norte. Go visit Chabon. There's some cold drinks over there. Give us some love, like the page, like the post, and most importantly, enjoy your family and this wonderful Saturday wherever you are. Talk to you later. Rickert Property Group, Mark out.